Okay, so the topic for today is all about factor polynomials with common monomial factor. Okay, what is a common monomial factor? Pag sinabing common pareho, monomial is a one term, then factor. Like 3 times 3 is a factor of 9, like that. So polynomial is composed of 3 terms and above. So let's see. Proceed to the next. Do you know the part of polynomial? Okay, let's first this one. Term. What do you mean by term? A number of a product of a number and variables raised to a power. So para maintindihan lang, products multiply of a number and variables. Variables, yun yung mga X, Y, Z, A, B, Z, yung mga letter. Raised to a power. So, hindi siya kili-kili power. Yung power is the exponent and the degree. Pareho lang siya. Ang daming tawag niya. So, this is the example. 3x plus 6. So, how many terms they are? 2 terms. Let's say 1, 2. Okay, so yan po ay 2 terms. Next, coefficient. The number factor of each terms with variable or variables. So variable isa lang na letter, variables maraming letter kasi merong 3x, y, z, ganun yung mga variables with s. Alright, so this is an example of the coefficient. Yan. So, 3x is a coefficient. Kasi siya lang yung may variables, number, each term with variables. Okay, constant. What do you mean by constant? The term without a variable. So, ang ating constant dito ay si 6. Ayan. Constant. Okay, let's go to factoring a polynomial means rewriting a polynomial as a product of polynomial factors. So, yun po yung pagkuha natin, no? We're going to write a polynomial as a product of polynomial factors. Let's go to this. The greatest common factor, the GCFs, ang galing to si GCF. Ito siya. GCF. So, pinaikli lang natin siya. Huwag nyo na hanapin si T. Kasi hindi siya magiging GCF. Wala na to. Ito lang. Of 2 or more terms is a common factor having the greatest numerical factor and with variables having the least degree. So, malinaw na malinaw po. Numerical factor, greatest, mataas. With variables, yun yung letter, having the least degree. Okay, let's go to the next. So, remember muna natin si multiplication table. So, grade 1 pa lang, pinakabisado na sa atin yung multiplication table. And ito yun kung naalala pa natin. Ipaalala ko sa inyo sa mga hindi. So, meron tayong multiplication table of 1 hanggang 10. Alam nyo pang related yan kay division tables. Kasi, pag hindi nyo kabisado si multiplication, hindi nyo rin kayang sagutan si division. Ganun lang siya. So, alang naman hindi mo kabisado yan, masasagutan mo sa division tables. Bawal mag-skip. Kailangan kay multiplication mo na bago si division. Usually, ito yung mga reaction ng mga bata. Ay, merong masaya, may lovable na umiyak, wala lang, nang asar pa. Tapos merong cool, umiyak kasi ayaw ng math. Siyempre cool, kinindatan pa, kunwari. Ito naman na-shock. So, umiyak na natawa. So, ignore. So, sadness. Hindi maintindihan to kung pa-cute lang siya yata. Ayan, ganyan, reaction. Yan yung mga reaction natin dati. Yung pinapakabisado yung multiplication table. Tapos even ngayon, yung mga bata, pag tinatanong, remember the multiplication table, walay. Ayan, ang mga reaction nila. Mahalaga yung multiplication table kaya dapat kabisaduhin natin para hindi tayo mahirapan. So example number 1. 3x plus 6. How many terms? 1, 2. Okay. Sa libro, ang ginagawa natin ay eto. The factors of 3x are 3, 1x. Hanapin natin yung factor ni 3x. Ang factor ni 6 ay 6 ay 1, 2, 3, 6. Yan. Ang factor ni 6 daw ay 1, 2, 3, 6. Ngayon, hanapin natin si GCF. 3. Okay. Next, etong GCF natin, i-divide natin sa original equation. 3x divided by 3 ay x. So, ayan ka na naman x eh. Tapos ka na, wag ka nang pumalik. 6 divided by 3 is 2. So, ito yung answer niya. Therefore, the factored form of polynomial is equal to the GCF multiplied by the quotient. Or as we read this, 3 times quantity x plus 2. Okay, let's go to the... This is the other way to get the answer easily. Ayoko na kasi pahirapan yung buhay na buhay. Kaya nga natin kinabisado si multiplication to make it easy. Yung burden natin, hindi tayo mabibigatan. So, para easy lang. So, kailangan nating i-remember sa multiplication. So, this is a tinatawag kong direct factor. So, kailangan natin munang mag-observe. So, pag nag-observe tayo, katulad niya, pag may nangliligaw sa atin, na-observehan natin siya kung sweet ba siya, hindi ba siya guwapo, hindi siya maganda, whatever, kung ano situation ng buhay niya, bago ka sumagot ng yes or no. So, ganyan din sa ating math. Hindi tayo basta-basta sasagot. We have to observe first, ano yung number, ano yung letter, kung kaya ba natin sagutan, ano yung formula. Ito, observe lang natin kung ano yung kanyang factor na makukuha natin, yung greatest common factor, at yung least degree doon sa variables. So, let's see number 1. 3x plus 6. First, observe natin si 3 and 6. Si 3 and 6 ay may GCF na 3, greatest common factor. Kasi 3 times 1 is 3. Si 6, 3 times 2, 6. So, gamitin natin si 3 and 1. Dito naman si 3 and 2. So, variables, wala siyang variables sa kabila. Wala siyang same variables. So, si x dapat may x din dito. Eh, wala. So, hayaan mo na siya. Gusto niya mapag-isa. Gusto niya eh. Okay, eto na. 3 times x, sign, plus 3 times 2. Okay. So, kunin natin si GCF. 3, ang common, ang pareho. Wala natin common, so yung remaining factor na lang natin ay si x and 2. So, the answer, the GCF is 3. The remaining factor, quantity x plus 2. Okay, this is the, when we write the common monomial factor together with the remaining factor. 3 times quantity x plus 2. Okay, next. Number 2. 25 x raised to 6 plus 10 x raised to 4 minus 15 x raised to 2. Eh, pwede rin natin basahin 25x 6 to the 6th power plus 10 x raised to the 4th power minus 15 x raised to the 2 power. Daming alam eh. Okay, observe natin sa 25, 10, 15. So 25, 10, 15. Nakabisado natin sa multiplication yun, right? So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So makikita natin na siya ay ang common factor niya ay 5. So hanapin na lang natin. Punta tayo sa variables. Sabi least degree. Ang least degree natin ay si x raised to the 2 power o x squared X to the 4th, X to the 6th. Okay, ito yung ating least degree. So, ngayon, ito yung kukunin natin. For the factor, kailangan makita siya dito, bawat isa. So, ito siya. 5 times 5, ito siya galing. X raised to the 2. So, ang katambal niya para mag X raised to the 6, X raised to the 4. Ayan. So, kasi 4 plus 2 is 6. Diba? Pag pinag-add. Okay, plus 5 times 2. Ayan, dito kay 10 galing. X raised to the 2. Ang kanyang remaining ay X raised to the 2 ulit. Kasi X raised to the 4 siya. Minus 5 times 3 times X raised to the 2. Okay, kunin natin sa GCF. Ayan, si 5. Ayan, si X squared. Okay. So, the GCF is 5X squared. So, ang remaining niya ay 5. X raised to 4, 2, X raised to 2, at 3. Ayan, GCF. Remaining factor. Right? Okay, so pagsasamahin natin siya. 5X raised to 2 times quantity. Yan yung basa dyan. 5X raised to 4 plus 2X raised to 2 minus 3. Right? Go to the next. Number 3. Okay, number 3 tayo. Okay, 16X raised to 5Y raised to 3 minus 10X raised to 2 Y raised to 4. So, 2 terms siya. So, observe natin si number 16, 10. Si 16, pwede siyang 8 times 2, at then 5 times 2. So, meron na tayong common sa dalawa. Okay, si X raised to 5, ang least degree ay si X raised to 2. Ito kunin natin. At si Y cube, ayan. So, kailangan mag-reflect siya sa dalawa. 2 times 8 times X raised to 2. Ito kasi siya eh. So, ang katambal niya na lang ay 3 kasi 3 plus 2 is 5. Then, Y raised to 3 minus 2 times 5 times X raised to 2 times Y raised to 3 times Y. So, ito siya galing. Hindi na natin siya binago. Kasi kailangan natin may pareho. Okay, si Y raised to 3. Kasi 4 yan, kailangan natin isa pa. By the way, this one is divisible 1 siya. Kaya 1 plus 3 is 4. So, ayan siya. Okay, kunin na natin si GCF. Si 2, si X squared, si Y raised to the 3. Okay, ang remaining ay 8. Si X raised to 3, si 5, si Y. Okay, GCF. Remaining factor. So, ito na yung sagot. 2x raised to 2, y raised to 3 times quantity 8x raised to 3 minus 5y. Go to the next. Let's try practice skill. So, yon, kailangan natin mag-practice. So, mag-practice to makes perfect. Pag walang practice, hindi ka magiging perfect. Okay, eto na siya. 25a plus 10. So, observe again, 25 si 10. Kailangan natin mag-observe. 25 is, at si 10, ay pwedeng 5 times 5. Ito, 5 times 2. May common na siya. Si A, wala siyang A dito. So, don't mind this. Mamaya na natin siya i-mind. Okay, let's go. 5 times 5 times A plus 5 times 2. Okay, the GCF. The remaining. Okay, so the answer is 5. Ito yung GCF natin. Ayan, ito siya. Times quantity 5a plus 2. Ayan, kitang-kita na yung answer. Okay? Next, number 2. 8x plus 10y. Observe 8 and 10. So this is 4 times 2 and 5 times 2. Ito si x tsaka si y. Magkaiba siyang letter. Parehong letter pero magkaiba ang letter kasi x siya. Ito si y. Hindi ba pwede pagsamahin ang dalawa? Okay. Next. 2 times 4 times x plus 2 times 5 times y. So the common is 2. Remaining 4, x, 5, as y. Ayan, ito yung answer niya. 2 times quantity 4x plus 5y. Kinagiget ba natin siya kung paano makuha yan? So, direct factor na yung ginawa natin. Number 3, 16x raised to 3 plus 8x raised to 2 minus 40. So, papasin natin si letter, wala siya sa dulo. So, hindi na natin siya papakilaman. Okay, 16, 8, 40 lang. Si 16, pwede siya 4 and 4. Si 8, 4 and 2. Ito, 4 and 10. Hey, mas may pinakamataas ang common factor, di ba? So, doon tayo sa mataas. 8 times 2, 8 times 1, 8 times 5. So, therefore, si 8 siya. Tingnan natin. 8 times 2 times x cubed, copy lang. Plus 8 x squared or x raised to 2. Okay? Ito may divisible 1 yan, kaya huwag kayong wawala. Huwag kayong magtataka bakit wala siya. Divisible, pero nandyan siya. Kasi ito ay may letter. At ito tayo ng variables. Minus 8 times 5. So, hanapin na natin si GCF. 8. Remaining. Okay, the answer is 8 times quantity 2 x raised to 3 plus x raised to 2 minus 5. Okay. Next, number 4. 9x raised to 5 minus 12x raised to 3. Observe natin si 9 tsaka si 12. So, 3 times 3, this is 4 times 3. At yung least degree is x cubed. Okay, let's see. 3 times 3 times x raised to 3 times x raised to 2 minus 3 times 4 times x raised to 3. So, yung GCF niya, si 3 at si x raised to 3. Okay. Remaining, ayan, naka-blue. So, the answer is 3x raised to 3 times quantity 3x raised to 2 minus 4. Ayan. Let's try again. Oh, let's try natin ng let's try. This is the last one. Okay, I give you 5 minutes para sagutan to. Tingnan natin kung tama yung answer nyo. Parang mahaba atang 5 minutes yun. Okay, sige, try na natin. Tingnan natin kung tama yung answer nyo. Observe sa 12, 20. This is 4 and 3, and this is 5 and 4. Least degree ay 4. Ang exponent. Least degree ay si y raised to 2. So, gamitin natin siya. 4 times 3 times x raised to 4 times x raised to 2. Ito yung 4 plus 2 is 6. Y raised to 2 times y raised to 1. Oh, ba't na nagkaroon ka ng 1 dyan? Sabi mo divisible. That's okay. Wala problema dyan. Pwede lagyan ng 1, pwede hindi. Pero mas preferring huwag nalagyan. Nalagyan kasi siya eh. Okay, so dahil nandiyan na siya, wala tayong magagawa. Okay, plus 4 times 5 times x raised to 4 times y raised to 2. So, kumain natin si GCF. Ayan. So, remaining niya ay nasa blue. Okay, the answer is 4x raised to 4 times y raised to 2 times quantity 3x raised to 2 y plus 5. So, this is the answer. Okay, that's it. Sana may napulutan kayo sa aking factor, direct factor sa common monomial na alam ko yung pinakamadali. So, hindi ko alam kung ano pa yung mga ibang way. Pwede yung first way sa book. Pero ayoko kasi mag-bookies. Gusto ko yung simple lang. Direct na tayo. Maraming salamat. Thank you and God bless. Ay, so pwede na akong gumawa ng another video uh, for the other topic. Thank you.